Hello guys, welcome back. If you want to order from Oopbuy, how can you make orders and how to order clothes or other accessory? So I will explain clearly today. So go ahead to get the Oopbuy application on your App Store or Google Play Store first and try to search as a Oopbuy. And you will be able to see the Uban Shop China Taobao 1688 and you will be able to download here. And just go ahead to open. Okay, sure. And then what you have to do is you need to log in your account. If you already have your account, you can automatically log in, but if you are a new user, you need to sign up your account first. So try to sign up account with application first. Okay, so if you want to sign up, just click sign up here. And if you want to sign up with your address or whatever, you can get. So here you need to add your email first. So I'm gonna add my email here. And insert your password here. Okay, so after agree your registration agreement and just sign up and log in. Sure, you need to match your password first here. Okay, sure, and then just sign up here. So wait for a while. Yeah, it's gonna send email to your Gmail and you will get. So just enter your verification code and you can now start able to use. So what you have to do first is trying to search a product that you want to buy. For instance, if you want to buy this one, just click it and make sure you need to add to your cart. If you want to add other item or not, you just want to buy this only this one, just click to buy now. And here you can choose color and size as you wish, so if you can choose whatever. And you can also put the quantity as well. So if you want to buy one or two or whatever, just click here and just click buy now. Okay, sure. And then you need to put your address here. So trying to add your address exactly. You also need to insert the phone number as well. And you can check your terms and conditions here and how much you get, and you can also check coupon is available or not. So try to insert your address here first. Okay, and then here you can select your instant first. Okay, so after adding your shipping address, what you need to do is you just need to go ahead to pay. So there's a lot of option you can choose. You can also put the oops by balance or not if you just want to make other online payment like credit cards or debit card, PayPal, Apple Pay, just carrier, however you can choose. So you can also change your currency as well. There's a lot of currency you can use. If you want to use Japan yen or whatever, USD or whatever you can choose. And just try to pay with your click to pay after selecting a payment. So after making the payment, now your order is successful. So once your order is arrived, you will also get notification and you can also track the order detail in your screen as well. So that's how to order from Oopbuy, guys. I hope this will help you a lot if you want to order items from Oopbuy. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much and see you back.